Now moving with the next topic, that is sense organs, eye and ear. Sense organ, there are 5 different types of sense organs in our body: eyes, ears, tongue, nose, skin. Okay, which are sensitive to light, sound, taste, smell and touch respectively. In addition, we also have some senses for balance, body movements, hunger, thirst, pain, etc. And for this all sensations, we have different kind of receptors in our body, which are given in this block, like mechanoreceptors for touch, pressure of skin, which is being carried out due to mechanical change. Then chemoreceptors, that is chemical sensation, smell. Okay. Photoreceptors, that is light. We have rod and cone cells in the eyes which can detect the light. Thermoreceptors, that is temperature, heat and cold. For that we have skin. And then phonoreceptors, that is sound. So for each and different kind of sensation, we have different kind of receptors or the cells. Starting with the first one, eye. Now eyes are placed inside the orbits, which are nothing but the sockets, the deep sockets present in the front side of our head. If you see the skeleton में जो blank space होता है eyes के पास, that is called as orbit. Each eye is in the form of a ball and can be rotated with the help of the 6 muscles which are near around it, ciliary muscles. Then eyelids. The upper and the lower movable eyelids protect the outer surface of the eye and can shut out the light. Each eyelid carries outwardly curved lashes which prevents the falling of larger particles into the eye. Okay, that means the hairs which are being present. Then eyebrows. Eyebrows, these are virtually not the part of the eye, but they are also protective because they prevent the rain droplets or the trickling perspiration from getting into the eyes. मतलब पसीनों को रोक रही है. Okay, as in there is no particular function of the eyebrows in the eyes. Tear glands, having a major function. Lacrimal glands are the lacrimal glands are present particularly for as an anti, you can say it helps to fight the disease condition, because the bacteria or the small organisms which are entering the eyes, they are being flushed out just because of the lacrimal glands. It has an you can say antibacterial activity. See, the lacrimal glands are located on the upper sideward portion of the orbit. 6 to 12 ducts are being present which can secrete their secretion. The movements of the eyelids spread the liquid and act as a lubricant so that the eyes remains moist. See, over here you can see in the figure the lacrimal gland is being shown and the lacrimal sac. This यहाँ पे जो fluid present होता है, that is nothing but the lacrimal secretion which comes out. Okay. The tears also keep the front surface of the eye clean by washing away the dust particles. It has an antiseptic property. As I told you, it contains the enzyme called lysozyme which kills the germ. The tear ducts drain off the liquid into a sac lying at the inner angle of the eye. A nasolacrimal secretion. This nasolacrimal secretion means what? A duct is being present which moves this secretion towards the throat, or you can say inside the intestine. Normally what happens when you take eye drops, if you keep the eye drops in the eye या ears, ये सारी चीज़ें एक दूसरे से connected है. ENT, eye, ears, nose and throat, they all have a common connection, that is towards the intestinal, ओके, और दी स्टमक पोर्शन. तो कभी कभी आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि कोई ड्रॉप्स अगर आप ईयर्स में डाल रहे हो या आइज़ में डाल रहे हो, दैट टेस्ट कैन बी ऑब्जर्व इनसाइड योर माउथ. सो दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस nasolacrimal duct. Okay. Then, due to irritation or in certain emotional states, the tear glands pour out a lot of liquid which is called as tears. It may be because of happiness or it may be because of sorrow. So function of tears: lubricate the surface, wash away the dust particles, helps in killing the germs and communicate the emotions. Then next is conjunctiva, which is a very thin membrane covering the entire front part of the eye. Sometimes this layer is being infected by the bacteria and you may get the disease condition of conjunctivitis, where this transparent epithelium is loosened off and the outer layer becomes red due to the viral infection. The bony orbit, socket, eyebrows, tear glands and conjunctiva serve for the eye protection only. Okay, these are the superficial areas of the eye. Moving to the inside, the structure of the eyeball, particularly the eye is made up of what? It is made up of 3 layers. outer is called as sclerotic, middle is choroid, and inner is retina. You can see in the figure as they are being shown. Okay, you have this cornea. जो eyes में आपको lining दिख रही है, okay, the pop out structure which comes out, that is nothing but cornea, and below that you have the layers. Inside the innermost, the outer is the sclera, and the innermost is the retina.